If you surf the web, computer cookies can be useful because they track items in your shopping carts and they also save your personal information. But there can be times that you want to change your preferences and get rid of those cookies on your device. So today I'm going to show you how to clear your cookies on Chrome. But first I'm going to explain a little bit about what cookies are. Cookies are text files with small pieces of data, like a username and password, that are used to identify your computer as you use the computer network. Other cookies are used to identify specific users and improve your web browsing experience. So data is stored in a cookie by creating a server upon your connection, and the data is labeled with a unique ID to you and then your computer. When the cookie is exchanged between your computer and the network server, the server reads the ID and knows the information is specifically for you. Cookies are used for tracking items in your shopping cart, maybe, saving your personal information, help sites remember you and your preferences when you visit them at a later date, helps to make your transactions more convenient, and then it remembers you for logging into your favorite websites. So these are all good things and convenient for you, but they do have some information that you might want to get rid of from time to time instead of have it all piling up. So for example, the cookie itself is not harmful since the data in the cookie does not change. They can infect computers with a virus or a malware, but some cyber attacks can hijack a cookie and then enable access to your browsing session. The danger lies in their ability to track individual browsing histories. So let's take a look at where our cookies are stored, and I will show you how to go ahead and delete them off your device so that you can be sure to be on guard and kind of, learn how to clean them up often, and if you would like to. So let's go to Chrome. And then when you go to your Chrome browser, up at the top right, you'll see the 3 dots on the browser. If you click that, it will give you this drop-down menu, and on there you're going to click Settings. When it comes to your settings, you'll see all this information, but if you scroll down kind of to the middle, you'll see the privacy and security, and then you'll see clear browsing data. So when you open this up, you'll have the basic tab, which looks like this, and then an advanced tab. So if we go to the basic tab, you can do it from here very easily. If you want to get rid of your browsing history on your devices, you would click that bar. If you just want to get rid of your cookies, you're going to click this, or in their cached files. So once you do that, all you have to do is click Clear Data. Now, one thing to keep in mind is when you do delete some cookies, you will have to remember your login and that type of information when you go back into the site, because basically what it does, it gets rid of that saved information that's in there. So more than likely you'll have to go back in and remember that information, and the load time might be a little bit slower than normal because it's not saved anymore. So basically all you do is you go to this and then you click Clear Data, and depending on how much it has to clear and get rid of will determine how long this goes. So I cleared my browsing history, my cookies and other site data, and then my cached images file. There's another great thing that Chrome has built in is right here they have the safety check. So if you click that check now, it will check all of these things also to make sure that there is nothing additional on your device that needs repaired or changed. So hopefully this is helpful to you and that you learned how to clear your cookies. One other thing that I want to show you really quick is a shortcut. The shortcut to that menu is you can hit Control, Shift, and Delete, and then it'll pop you right up to that menu. And you could even go to advanced if you want something more specific. So happy cookie deleting.